Hello everyone, this is the North America Math Contest Go Go Go. Today we are going to quickly talking about the LaTeX equation. So let's first talk about the first one, which is the case of sigma with the subscript. That case, we will need to write something like this, right? Which this part I is equal to s represents the base, and I is equal to 1 represents the height. So an example would be like this. Let's first render this equation. Let me put the cursor here, right? Yeah, I don't know how, let's render all of them. So this one will have the code of this. This is just the function that you will need. For the right part, this is the top, which is the upper bound. This is the lower bound, and this is the upper bound. So let's try 2i plus 3. Just wait it to load. And in the case of an infinite, you will need to write like this. Is equal to infinity fx. That would include the case where the top boundary is the infinite. The second thing, the sigma, this is just a big sigma, which is sum. You see, if I write here, like the thing I here is sum, so it will be a big sigma. What if I change this to a small sigma? Let's see. I'm going to show you. What if I change it to a small sigma? It will become a regular equation. Oh, sorry, it can't be like that. What I mean here is to render this one. No, I can't. Oh, the cursor before equation, the render. Okay, it would be, you remember that the sigma has to be like in capitalized in order to make it form the actual sigma, or else it will just be like the thing you just look at. This one is going to be the big sigma, and this one is the small sigma. Remember that s has to be capitalized. Inverse tan trigonometry, they are relatively simple. What you need to do is you just treat the -1 as exponents, and then it become tan -1, sine -1, and cos -1 x. And then after that, they will become this. Inverse function, on the other hand, there's one. It's also the same way as trigonometry, where you just treat the -1 as the exponents. But I have to say, but the quick thing is, you will have to like consider the case. Like you cannot write like this, you know. Writing like this. If you write like this, it will ended up becoming like -1. It will only this part will be considered. You may be curious why, because this one, if you write it, the system will consider it as a code instead of a function. Well, not delta h, the /h. This is not recognized by the sigma system, so therefore only this part will be readed. So this is just an error that you need to be quick reminded. This is the same for the subscript ax. So this is the name of the subscript. Basically just type in the name of the subscript here. And then it's a logarithm. Logarithm is relatively simple. We just type in the log x here, and then it works. The next case is going to be the base number. The logarithm function, base and number. So this is going to be the base, and this is going to be the number. For example, if you write this, it will be log 3, log 10 with base 3. Yeah. And then lastly is the exponent. So this is just a code. And here we come to the end of our lesson, and I hope you have learned a lot. See you next week. Bye bye.